Okay, so I bought 2 Hot Tools. I only had a blow dryer before. I wanted to try a blow dryer brush. I have frizzy straight hair. Should I use that word? I don't know. Should I go like this or should I go like this? I don't know. It is very hot now, air-wise. Okay, so this side, I tried doing it like this. This side, I think I'm just gonna go straight. I guess it's faster than the regular blow dryer. Maybe it does look a bit less frizzy. I guess it works both ways. Okay, my bangs look really bad though. Does it look less frizzy? I feel like it probably looks the same. No, yeah, I think it's actually more thoroughly dry than when I use a blow dryer too. There's still some damp spots because I stopped, you know. But let me try it on my husband now. Wait, what was I doing? I was gonna spray more of this and then more of the other one.
Are we getting straight?
A little bit, but it's also getting frizzy. Okay. Oops, I probably should have rubbed it. I mean, it looks wavy now, I guess. Okay.
Isn't it wavy at the beginning?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so as a blow dryer, good. As a straightener, no. I feel like it looked frizzy. I mean, my hair still look frizzy, but that's just its natural state. So I'm just gonna use the waver. Fuck it. I bought the old version because the new version was more expensive, but I didn't realize that the plates are different, so I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna be too chicken to return it if it doesn't work because it's sealed. But hopefully it works out. Oh, maybe I can open it through here. Okay, so this is the new one. It has just one bump and it seems like it's deeper. And I thought the old one was gonna be the same way, except just the auto shut off. But anyway, they were completely different, so yeah. I hope it works out. Tried opening it for the bottom, it made it worse. Okay, so used a detangler on me and my husband. This I did it off camera. For me, I used this on my husband, but not on me. And then I used this serum on my husband. But yeah, now I'm seeing more frizz for sure. So there's that. But I still like it. Anyway, I guess this time around I will use this. I feel like this stiffens my hair, so I don't really like it. disappointed and I can't return it. I mean, I can try to return it. It's from Amazon. Okay, hopefully top layers look, I mean this one, okay, now it kind of looks like something. I just thought there were gonna be deeper waves. I mean, I guess I could try to return it. I can't. Okay, let me just do these strands one more time. They're kind of cute, but kind of not. Give it one more shot, but I'm either gonna return or donate, probably. Okay.